So I believe CodeFrame is ready. I think in a perfect world, you should be able to start up Visual Studio Code no matter on what platform you are. You should be able to do a simple command and run a C++ project, just like you can with NPM, with Node in the web ecosystem. I wanted to make C++ just as easy. So what is CodeFrame? CodeFrame is a developer toolchain aimed at making low-level development with C, C++, and assembly easy and modern. It's designed with the idea to just work, compiling your code, managing your packages, and shipping or organizing your project. Why do I think CodeFrame is needed? I believe the current low-level ecosystem is super fragmented. Many build systems and compilers exist, each with their own quirks, and dependency management is a mess. And then tooling integrations are inconsistent cross-platform. The result of this is developers spend way too much time wiring everything together instead of just working on the software. CodeFrame does not yet support existing C++ projects, but this is in ongoing development. Currently, we only support new C++ projects. Sure, you can port it manually to a CodeFrame project. The code definitely would run if wired up correctly, but this is way too much effort, and I much rather recommend waiting until we have our init command published. This is definitely something that would be solved before the initial beta release. What is to come for CodeFrame? There are big plans, but being a solo individual on this project takes its toll. Although I can't give up on the goals that I've already set for CodeFrame, I need the opinions and inputs of a community to be able to make what I envision CodeFrame to be a possibility. This is why I needed to release CodeFrame early. If you feel as though you can contribute to CodeFrame in any way possible, please get in contact. The link will be down in the description. So to be more transparent on what's to come to CodeFrame in the future, also in the description you will find a link to our current roadmap. So if you have any recommendations on maybe things that I've missed, please get in contact. Till next time, code consciously. So while editing the video, I realized I didn't tell you guys that currently CodeFrame is only available for Windows, and specifically x86 64 platform. This is definitely a drawback at the moment, but it is in development and it's going to be a fast follow. The first release or the first update of the alpha will be ARM64. So just wanted to let you guys know it's definitely planned for, and definitely something I'm very sad that it couldn't make it into this release. Keep an eye out, because within the next few months there should be an update. Till next time, code consciously.